Come on. Gonna go outside? For the past 2 weeks, it's been nothing but snow and sleet and rain and perpetual winter that never seems to end. But today is beautiful. We've got sun, it's warm, and we're going to be installing our garage door. What's the plan, garage door man?
Just want to level this bottom footing and then we'll just start putting pieces on. It's kind of got to get this foundation level and then we'll run these straight up. As long as the verticals are straight.
This garage door opening right now is 16 feet across. We're going to be framing in 3 feet on either side because our garage door is 10 feet wide. So we're going to have a 10-foot opening and then frame in 3 feet either side.
Perfect. Okay.
Better?
Yep.
So we've got one side partially framed in now. And so now we're going to work on the north side. Vance has already started to put the concrete pavers down. So it should go a little bit quicker now that we know what we're doing. This one took little bit of time. This is already looking quite a bit narrower.
Okay. Just hold this so it doesn't go. Hold that for me like that.
time for a coffee break.
I'd like to put this board up and then really just start putting the door on.
I know.
We won't have the horizontal piece in, but once the door is in, I want to get 2 sheets and just close it. But I really want to see the door in with...
That garage space looks so tiny now.
I know.
You know, as classy as that orange tarp is, and I won't have it waking me up at 2 o'clock in the morning with the wind batting against it.
You're going to miss it, Erica.
Nope.
Must make sure that the bottom is level.
Next. Still level. Okay. We need that one.
Right.
That one.
That one. Let's go.
Whoa, too much.
Oh, that's interesting. Which one? Okay.
I need to go to you.
Get yourself stable. Wait for me. Okay. Okay, you good? Okay. Yep.
So what do you think of the door? It's so small. When you've got a 16-foot opening, you get used to that.
Well,
Now I can't, now
please drive within the 9
now I
feet.
can't rally into the garage.
Is that what you've been doing when I go to work? Handbrake turns into the garage.
16 feet is nice, but I would prefer the size.
Look,
Because
10 feet would have been better than 9.
oh yeah, but we get
My
more.
truck hardly
We get
fits
more
through
wall
9.
space.
My truck hardly fits through 9.
Well,
I'll have to fold the mirror down, right?
you'll fit through here.
It just fits. Okay, so now that's it for there. Lift your head up a little bit.
Just checking. Just checking. I gotta check. Make sure the
Yes.
nail stays in the
What you
wood.
doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
I'm the supervisor.
Yes. 43, just under. 38. 43, just under.
Mm-hmm.
Take it a quarter of an inch.